Hello and welcome to microeconomics education and the answer for the exit exam of 2026 preparation. My name is Belay. The first question is the classical economist believes that the demand for labor is a function of A. Total money wages, B. Money wage rates, C. Total real wage, D. Real wage rates. The classical economists believe the demand for labor is a function of real wage rates. The answer is D. In classical theory of employment, there is a possibility of A. Voluntary unemployment, B. No unemployment, C. Involuntary unemployment, D. Disguised unemployment. The answer under classical theory of employment is the possibility that voluntary unemployment is occurred. Number three, the idea that general cut in wages will finally lead to a state of full employment was suggested by A. Keynesians, B. Marshall, C. Sayce, D. Pigot. The answer is a D. Sayce law of market size. A. Supply created its own demand. B. Demand created supply. C. Income generated demand. D. Saving create a demand. The answer for this question is supply created its own demand, the Sayce law of the market. This is called as Sayce law of the market. Number five, as a result of increasing in capital, other remain constant or ceteris paribus, blank the marginal productivity of labor. A. Remaining constants, B. Increasing, C. Decreasing, D. None of the above. As a result of increasing capital, ceteris paribus or remain constant, increase the marginal productivity of a labor. Number six, in the classical theory, one of the following is important assumptions. A. Wage and the price are inflexible or not flexible. B. There is a full employment. C. Agents are price setter. D. Adjustment is through quantity. The answer for classical theory or the assumption for classical theory is there is a full employment. So the answer is B. In Fisher's extended equation of exchange, that is m to the power of 1 times v to the power of 1 represents A. Credit money or bank deposits, B. Primary money, C. Both primary and the credit money, D. General price level. Under Fisher's extended equation, the answer is credit money or bank deposits. That is m times v to the power of 1 represents credit money or bank deposits. Number 8, in Fisher's transaction velocity model, one of the following is not an exception or assumption. A. Velocity of circulation of money is constant. B. The volume of transaction is constant. C. Full employment. D. P rise or P is considered as an active factor. The answer is D. P is not considered as active factor, rather it is passive factor. Because of this, P is considered as active factor is wrong. The next, number 9, the cash balance equation M is equal to K times P times O was given by A. Keynesian, B. Pigon, C. Robertson, D. Marshall. The answer is D. Marshall. The cash balance equation is or was given by Marshall. Number 10, supply created its own demand. Who says this one? It is the law of whom or the law of what? A, investment, the law of inflation, C, the law of consumption, D, the law of market. This is totally the law of size law of a market. We call it size law of the market. So the answer is the law of markets. Number 11, in the equation, mv plus m the power of 1 times v or velocity is equal to p times t. M denotes, this is a Fisher's equation of the exchange. A, velocity of money. B, money in circulation. C, bank deposits. And the D, none of the above. M is money in circulation, sorry. Number 12, in classical demand for money, the relationship between money supply and the price level is A, proportional, non-proportional, neither proportional nor non-proportional, D, none of the above. The answer is non-proportional. They are non-proportional. Number 30, as per classical theory, saving is A, an increasing function of the rate of interest, B, decreasing function of rate of interest, C, decreasing function of level of income, D, none of the above. As per classical theory, saving is an increasing function of rate of interest. If interest rate is increased, saving is increased. Number 40, the Cambridge version of the quantity theory of money was developed by A, Fisher, B, Alfred Marshall, C, Pigot, D, Keynes. So the answer is Pigot. Number 15, in classical system, which of the following keeps the economy at full employment? A, level of saving, B, increasing in money supply, C, adjustment in investment, D, adjustment in money wages. The answer is adjustment in money wages. Number 60, in Fisher's equation of exchange, M times V is equal to PT, the variation of which produce a proportional change in price. A, M, B, V, C, P, D is T, that is money circulation, or M. Number 17, according to the classical economists, variation in savings are due to A, levels of investment, B, rate of interest, C, level of employment, D, none of the above. So we have said rate of interest, because we have said before the function, saving is a function of interest rates, increasing of interest rates. Number 18, in classical theory, which of the following is found in economy? A, unemployment, B, involuntary unemployment, C, less than full employment, D, full employment. So we have said before that is full employment. D is the answer. Number 19, in M times V is equal to PT, if M doubles and the V and the T remain constant, then P will be A double, B 1 over 2, C 1, T is equal to 4, that is double. This is simply the matter of calculating or simply multiplication. Because version of Cambridge equation is A, M is equal to Kp over Y, B, P is equal to Kr over M, C, Mv is equal to Pt, D, Mv is equal to M1 P1. Those part is features, not Pgos. The Pgos are P is equal to KR over M. 21. The quantity theory of money was restated by whom? A. Alfred Marshall, Milton Friedman, Fisher, Keynes. The answer is Milton Friedman. Under quantity theory of money, Friedman says the cause of inflation is money in circulation, he said, because the other, he said the other is remain constant. If money increasing, the price is increasing, and because of that, the cause for any inflation is the responsibility of money in circulation, or the responsibility of central bank, it says. Number 22, the law which states that supply created its own demand and overproduction is impossible is known as the law of supply, size law of the markets, the law of the demand, law of macroeconomics. As we said, that is size law of markets. Number 23, wages and the price do not adjust quickly to restore general equilibrium. Is the property of A. Classical economics, Keynesian economics, monetary economics, D. Supply side economics. This is Keynesian economics, as you know from microeconomics. Number 24, classical treated money as A. medium of exchange, store of values, both. D. None. Classical treat money as medium of exchange. Number 25, when there is an increasing in the autonomous money supply, ceteris paribus, LM shifts, or this is money markets, liquidity in the money. A. leftward, B. rightward, no shift, D. none. The answer is rightward. Number 26, an economic model is statement of relationship among economic of blank. A. variables, B. phenomena, C. developments, D. none of the above, that is among economic variables. Number 27, LM curve shows the equilibrium condition in blank markets. LM is curve shows the equilibrium condition in blank markets. What kind of these markets? A goods market, product market, C money market, D none of the above. It is money markets. Goods market is IS, or investments, the saving. This is a money market. Number 28, supply created its own demand is the base of A. classical economics, Keynesian economics, monetarism, or Friedman's D none of the above, that is classical economics, says supply creates its own demand. After that, there was a Great Depression. Number 29, the simplest ISLM model, investment in the saving, liquidity in money model, consists of A. two markets, that is 3 markets, 4 markets, and the 5 markets. The answer is 2 markets. That is, investment in the saving is the goods market, liquidity in the money is money market together. Number 13, the 30, the equilibrium in product market is represented by which curve? The equilibrium in product market. A. ISM, B. LM, D. demand, D. supply curve, that is IS, that is product markets. Number 8, in Fisher's transaction velocity model, One of the following is not an exception or assumption. A, velocity of circulation of money is constant. B, the volume of transaction is constant. C, full employment. D, P rise or P is considered as an active factor. The answer is D. P is not considered as active factor, rather it is passive factor. Because of this, P is considered as active factor is wrong. The next, number 9, the cash balance equation M is equal to K times P times O was given by A, Canadian, B, Pigon, C, Robertson, D, Marshall. The answer is D, Marshall. The cash balance equation is or was given by Marshall. Number 10, supply created its own demand. Who says this one? It is the law of 36. Which policy is effective in Canadian range? Monetary policy, B, fiscal policy, C, income policy, D, none of the above. As you know, the solution of Great Depression is a government, according to the Canadian views. That is, government should intervene. That means if government has a contribution to control the Great Depression or to solve the problem, that is the side of fiscal policy, by increasing tax or by decreasing or by increasing expenditure or decreasing expenditure. Because of that, that is fiscal policy. 36.7. Which policy is effective in intermediate range? Monetary policy, fiscal policy, both policy, none of the above. That is both policy for intermediate. Which of the following concepts are most closely associated with Keynes? A, control of the money supply. B, marginal utility theory. C, indifferent curve analysis. D, marginal efficiency of capital. That is, marginal efficiency of the capital is the answer for this question. 39, fractional unemployment exists. A, when there is a decreasing in real GDP. B, because it takes time to find a job when one is first entering the labor force. C, as a result of technological changes. D, when an individual retires. The answer is B, because it takes time to find a job when one is first entering the labor force. Number 40, the aggregate production function implied under the classical theory is A, a long run, B, short run, C, no time element, D, none of the above, that is long run. With this, we come to the end of our today's question and answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being parties of the today's session, and I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel for my content on macroeconomics question and answer, as well as in our microeconomics other areas. Our upcoming session, we will explore the same question and answer. Thank you.